What if capturing cinematic aerial shots was as easy as pressing a button? The DJI Neo 2 makes it possible with smart AI tracking, smooth 4K video, and ultra-simple controls. It's compact, powerful, and built for anyone who wants pro-level footage without the complexity or high price. Helicopter. Number 5. DJI Neo 2. The DJI Neo 2 stands out as one of the most exciting budget drones in 2026, redefining what users can expect from an affordable, compact flying camera. Designed primarily for beginners, casual creators, and social media enthusiasts, this drone combines portability, intelligent features, and impressive 4K video capabilities into a lightweight package that feels both modern and approachable. At its core, the Neo 2 is built around simplicity and accessibility. Unlike traditional drones that require controllers and setup time, this model can launch directly from your palm and begin recording within seconds. This ready-to-fly concept makes it incredibly appealing for users who want quick shots without dealing with complex controls. Gesture-based commands and smartphone integration allow you to control the drone effortlessly, while optional remote controller support offers more precision for those who want a traditional flying experience. One of the most impressive aspects of the DJI Neo 2 is its intelligent tracking system. Equipped with advanced AI-powered features like Active Track and Selfie Shot, the drone can automatically follow subjects, keeping them centered in the frame while they move. Whether you're running, cycling, or simply walking, the Neo 2 acts like a personal cameraman, capturing smooth, dynamic footage without manual input. It even supports multi-directional tracking, allowing for more cinematic and creative shots from different angles. When it comes to camera performance, the Neo 2 delivers surprisingly strong results for its price range. It features a 12MP half-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, along with slow-motion options reaching 100 frames per second. The addition of a 2-axis gimbal combined with electronic image stabilization ensures that footage remains smooth and stable, even during fast movements or windy conditions. This makes it ideal for capturing travel moments, outdoor adventures, and social media content with a professional-looking finish. Another standout feature is its advanced obstacle avoidance system. Unlike many budget drones that lack safety features, the Neo 2 includes omnidirectional obstacle detection using a combination of vision sensors, LiDAR, and infrared technology. This allows the drone to detect and avoid obstacles in real time, significantly reducing the risk of crashes, especially for beginners. Portability is a major strength of the Neo 2. Weighing around 150 grams, it falls under the 250g threshold in many regions, meaning fewer regulations and easier travel. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in a small bag or even a large pocket, making it perfect for vloggers and travelers who want a drone that's always ready to go. The drone also includes generous internal storage, offering up to 49 gigabytes, which eliminates the need for memory cards. While this is convenient for casual users, it may be a limitation for those who prefer expandable storage options. Battery life is rated at around 19 minutes per flight, which is standard for drones in this category, though real-world usage may vary depending on conditions and flight modes. Despite its many strengths, the Neo 2 is not without limitations. It is primarily designed for casual use rather than professional filmmaking. Advanced features like raw photo capture, manual camera controls, and high-end color profiles are not included, which may disappoint more experienced users.